right, so this program that we're doing here was started with Mike, I think is the guy who's running the program, and it's just to get kids a hands-on experience, participating in a community event, which is a mini home build, which I believe is going to be going to St. Thomas. And so we have 3 different schools. We have Holy Cross, London Christian, and then Sir Wilfrid Laurier. And so it's a combined group effort, which we've been doing for the last month, having online meetings, talking about the process, and the kind of so what we have here behind me are 6 kids, which is in the SHSM program, Specialized High Skills Major, which gives kids an opportunity to get hands-on experience, certificates, like working at heights, and what does it gets them prepared for working in the trades. And the kids are here all pretty motivated to be here. You can talk about your enjoyment.
I really enjoy construction, that's for sure, because it's more hands-on. It's not really, you have to sit at a desk and work all day. So being able to have this experience is really great, because I don't have to go to school. I can be here doing what I like. Sinky is one of the teachers, and Mr. Myron, he's here too, walking around. They both are definitely one of my biggest role models. They've always been supportive with me. I've always had my eyes towards trades, but they too did the heavy work by trying to figure out how we can get me to do what I would like.